Dana Osgood joins us with a check of the forecast. This morning was a nice reminder. We're in the heart of January, about to turn the page to another month. Hopefully the coldest part is over for now.
That's kind of what we've been doing this winter, is we have these cold snaps, but there's a relatively quick turnaround. So we were very cold this morning, cold yesterday, but now we're going to flip-flop right back to the other side, and we'll be back to above average. But yes, this morning, very chilly out there. A lot of us out there in the single digits. If you were in northern and eastern Maine today, you were in the negative numbers early this morning, -5 in Bangor, -4 in Calais, -17 up in Holton. So overall, we started off pretty chilly out there, but we were able to bounce back to about freezing temperatures. Now, this is about average for this time of year, and in general, for a lot of places, about 10 degrees warmer than we were for high temperatures yesterday. And as we go over the next couple of days, each of those days are going to get a little bit warmer until we're pretty well above average for this time of year. Now, yesterday, albeit being pretty chilly outside, we did have plenty of sunshine throughout the day. Today, though, in order to be a little bit warmer, we did sacrifice the sunshine. Most of us was a mostly cloudy to overcast day. In the past couple of hours, we did see a couple of breaks in the interior, but overall a pretty cloudy day, and that's going to continue really over the next couple of days until we get into the weekend, where we'll break into some sunshine. Now, we're going to hold on to that cloud cover overnight, so our temperatures aren't going to drop very far, really into the upper teens to lower 20s for most of us overnight tonight. So definitely a much warmer night tonight in comparison to last night, but still going to be below freezing in all areas. Now, so we're going to hold on to that cloud cover overnight tonight, and then we're going to go into that tomorrow as well, where we're going to see overcast skies for really the next couple of days, and that's because we have a clipper system on the approach. So that means starting Thursday morning, we are going to see some snow showers across the state. Really, the main areas where we're going to see snow is going to be the mountains, northern Maine, and eastern Maine. There is a winter weather advisory in effect for Aroostook County, which is going to see the most snow from this system, but really only a couple inches. This storm is not very powerful, so we're going to see just a couple of snow showers throughout the day on Thursday, with the exception of the immediate coastline, where it's going to be warm enough where we will see rain showers there. But overall, this system doesn't have a lot of moisture and isn't very powerful, so we're not going to see a ton of precipitation even as we go into early Friday morning, where we're really just going to be left with a couple of snow showers throughout the day. So overall, not too much precipitation, but this is really the only system that we have to talk about over the next couple of days and into the 7 and 10 day period. It's going to be very quiet once we get into the weekend. So here's what we're looking at for snow totals. So like I said, Aroostook County, where the winter weather advisory is in effect, is where we're going to see the most snow, but overall, most of us between 1 to 3 inches, I would say, being the most. So not too much to talk about, but I'm just going to let this European model play. So this is the system offshore here that's going to come through tomorrow. And then if we watch this play over the next couple of days, there is nothing to see. That's because really in the next 7 to 10 days, we aren't really going to be seeing any precipitation here in Maine, so it's going to be very, very quiet after tomorrow. Our temperatures, however, are going to moderate as we go over the next couple of days. Thursday and Friday is our best chance of even getting into the 40s. So we're going to be above average, especially closer to the coast. And then once we get into the weekend, things are going to turn a little bit colder, but still around average for this time of year, not exceptionally cold in the next couple of days. So seas 2 to 4 feet, water is 39 degrees. So for our 7-day forecast, after the snow showers that go through tomorrow and early on Friday, things are going to be pretty quiet. We'll turn a little bit colder as we get into the weekend, but we're still going to see plenty of sunshine, which will be a nice change from what we're going to see over the next couple of days, which is going to be really overcast skies and those snow showers as well. So Brian and Amanda, last week was a very busy week in the weather office, so we get to calm down for this week.
And bring on the sunshine. I'm ready for that.
I know, me too.
All right, Dana, thank you.